Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to our Thursday live video tutorial. This week and for the next couple of weeks, or starting today for the next couple of weeks, we are going to make cards using card candy. Now, we had our team meeting last week, and the theme of our swap was card candy. So if you don't know what card candy is, I'll show you one. This one was on top. This is from Carrie Ray. She's one of our team members. And it's where you do a sheet of elements that you can put on a card. Okay, so this was hers. She used the this little owl set or bird set. And then the one we're going to do today is from Rita Dougherty. And Rita put hers in made a little envelope out of some vanilla cardstock because she used this Earthen Elegance suite. And it has lots of die cuts. So I don't even know if you can tell all the work that's gone into here. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 die cuts in this one image right here. This one has almost as many. This one too. So lots of work go into these card candy sheets. So this is for Rita today. So let me show you. This is the suite that's in the retiring catalog. So these are all retiring. Right now we have the low inventory on the bundle and the stamp set. The dies are 20% off. The trim is 10% and the paper is 10% off. So if you're interested in this, you need to get this soon because we have low inventory on several of these items. Okay, so I love making cards out of card candy. It's so easy. I just pulled out some cardstock. I'm going to grab my paper trimmer here. I've already cut. I'm going to make 3 cards today out of this card candy. This is so great. So I'm using just some thick, very vanilla. This is also retiring. I think it may already be sold out, but you can use regular vanilla. I'm going to be using this until I get rid of it all. Okay, so I'm just doing 3 vanilla card bases. Okay. All right. So I have a piece of vanilla. This is a 4 by 5 1/4. So let's do our first one. I've used the time worn type embossing folder on this one. I did that on the other ones, and I wasn't even thinking that I needed to do maybe one of them landscape instead of portrait direction. So I'm doing all portrait today. All right, now with this card candy, it is already attached. Let's see. Rita's got it attached there. So I'm going to let me grab some dimensionals. I'm just going to use up, I've been using up the last of the sheet of black dimensionals. And I'm going to just cut a few. We'll do one there, and I'm going to put one up here on top. Okay, we'll pop this up. And I'm going to use this happy birthday. Okay. Let's see, let's put that one right there. I've got this happy birthday. And I'm just going to stick it right next to it. Done! I am already done. This is my favorite thing about doing card candy for our swaps. Okay, so I'm going to do, on this next one, I'm going to put a layer of copper clay. I'm going to put the layer, let's make this layer 3 3/4 by 5. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this layer This is my emboss layer. Let's do this in 1/8 less. So 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. That's 3/4. There's 5/8. Okay. So we can just adhere our smaller piece of embossed cardstock to a thin mat of the copper clay. That just kind of helps that center panel kind of pop out a little bit. That looks pretty just like that. Okay, let's grab this sentiment, or this one right here. Just got these attached with a little bit of glue dot, and then these are attached with dimensionals, which is nice because we can just pull those off. I'm going to put this on first. I'm going to pop that up too, I think. Let's see. Got a couple dots left. You can see all the pieces from the back, how much work went into this one. I'm going to put this over here on this side and then put this up high. I'll put it up here, maybe so it kind of overlaps a little bit. Oh, I like that. Okay. That's it for that one. That's 2 down. These are going to be very quick videos. You guys can tell. I love the way that one looks, so I'm going to do the same with this one. Let's cut this down to 4 by, let's do 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and then we'll cut this down to, we'll do 3 3/4. I did that wrong. Ugh, so disappointing. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna put this right here. That's gonna be our background. You know what? Maybe I can salvage a little piece of this. This is what we'll do. When you cut things wrong, you just gotta adapt, right? Oh my goodness. I knew as soon as I did it, it was wrong, but it was too late. Too late to stop myself. Okay, I'm just going to put this right here. Okay. Get that on dimensionals, and then we'll pop this up. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I think we'll do it like that. We'll pop this up right here. And then we'll put the faith kind of up here a little bit. Maybe just right there. That way the ribbon kind of just touches our vanilla right there. And that's it. Oh my gosh. I mean, look, I just made 3 cards in like, 5 minutes. Aren't those beautiful? Thank you, Rita. Awesome job. I've used up the whole thing. Got it. And I have a blue glittery flower left over. I don't know. Maybe we'll do something with that. I'm going to put it over here. Put that in my scrap box. Okay. Thanks for joining me today. I will put a link on these below, and I will post measurements for the card bases on my blog. And then the colors that were used on here. We've got some wild wheat, pretty peacock, and copper clay, along with the vanilla. So only 3 colors, really. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. I see we have a comment. I'm going to see if I can look at my comments here. I've been trying out new contacts and they're stressing me out. Okay, it looks like Cindy. Hi, Cindy. All right, that's it for today. I'm going to be gone starting on Sunday for the week with Stampin' Up! With our incentive trip. I have to put a disclaimer that less than 1% of all demonstrators earn that achievement. So I'm very thankful that for my customers, for my team, that I am able to go on this trip. So I'm going to record all my card candy videos, and I will have them posted on Saturday, Monday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, until they're done, so that you guys will still have something to watch and see all the cool little elements that everyone made. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.